students, in the previous class we have discussed about the formation of ionic bond, taking an example of calcium chloride. Today we are going to discuss about formation of ionic bond with the example of magnesium nitride. Here we have to take a metal magnesium and non-metal nitrogen. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಹ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಮತ್ತು ಲೋಹ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ magnesium and nitrogen. What is the electronic configuration of magnesium? Its atomic number is 12. So 12 electrons are there. So we have to write 2, 8, 2. It is the electronic configuration of magnesium. Nitrogen electronic configuration is 2, 5. 2 in K shell, 5 in L shell. These are electrons. 2, 5, 2, 8, 2. These are all the number of electrons. In the same way, already we have discussed, to get octet state ಅಥವಾ ಅಷ್ಟಕ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಪಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವು ಅಂತಿಮ ಕಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ in the last shell that they should have 8 electrons. Now magnesium donates 2 electrons and this nitrogen takes those 2 electrons, but it shouldn't satisfy, so it requires one more electron. By donating 2 electrons, magnesium become magnesium ion. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8. But it is not satisfied. Nitrogen is not satisfied. It takes only 2 electrons, but it wants 3 electrons. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 3 electron ಬೇಕು. ಆ 3 electron ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ? I have written here 3 magnesium atoms. Only 1 magnesium atom we have written here, but that's such kind of 3 magnesium atoms. ಆ ರೀತಿಯ 3 magnesium ಪರಮಾಣುಗಳು 6 electron ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. Such kind of 3 magnesium atoms donate 6 electrons. Now these 6 electrons are gained by 2 nitrogen atoms. Each nitrogen atom share 3 electrons, because to get octet state they require 3 electrons. So each nitrogen atom gets 3 electrons. Now 2 nitrogen atoms, look here, 2 nitrogen atoms gain 6 electrons. Now these 2 nitrogen atoms, only one nitrogen atom we have ion we have written here. Only one nitrogen ion we have written here. It gets 3 electrons and become an ion. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8. Now see 3 magnesium ions. Now I don't say these are the atoms. These 3 magnesium atoms donate 6 electrons. After donating 6 electrons, these atoms become ions. ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ, ಈ 3 ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಮ್ಗಳು ಪರಮಾಣುಗಳಾಗಿ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಅಯಾನುಗಳಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಆಗಿವೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಅಯಾನುಗಳಾಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಆಗಿವೆ. 3 ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಮ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಈಚ್ ಒನ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3 ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಮ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ how many nitrogen ions? 2 nitrogen ions. 2 nitrogen ions are here. They both 3 magnesium ions and 2 nitrogen ions react together and gives Mg3N2. This Mg3N2 is the magnesium nitride. It is an ionic compound. This kind of bond between 2 ions is called ionic bond. Ionic bond formation means, dear students, ionic bond formation means transferring of electrons. Look here, these 2 electrons are transferred. These 2 electrons already we have discussed. These 2 are called valence electrons. These 2 valence electrons are transferred to another atom. That one becomes ion. Now this one also become ion. Transferring of electrons form a ionic bond. Okay, thank you.